Hello, all. Welcome to Founders Creative Hackathon Winner announcement. Uh, we had an awesome number of people submitting multiple entries. Really like the enthusiasm and the different projects. Without further ado, I'm just going to walk over and tell about Founders Creative. Um, First of all, thanks to Sandra Chung, who could not be here, but she was a great help and support. And without her, I would not be able to uh, do this hackathon by myself. So a big round of applause and thank you to Sandra Chung. She is the head of operations at Whitefield Security, and she has organized countless hackathons, whether in person or virtual. She's a really force behind Founders Creative Hackathon, and she's a co-chair at the Engineering Council. For those who are not aware, Founders Creative is a high octane community of 30,000 plus founders, investors, executives. We just don't host events. We build an ecosystem where startups gets funded, acquired, and scaled. From exclusive hackathons to custom brand partnership, Founders Creative bridge the gap between bold ideas and industry talent. And it's an AI community where we build together, and there is an accelerator. Sandra has already talked about the accelerator, and I'm just going to talk about the winners. But before I go to the winners, let me allow judges to talk about themselves. I'm going to put all the judges who are available on stage so that they can talk about a few about themselves. Hey, judges, you want to say a few words? I'll start with you, Shirley, and then we can go around.
Hi everyone, I'm Shirley. I'm the co-founder of a Perfectory. We are building an AI agent for clinical workflows to help them to automate all manual works. So my background is I was a software engineer and have the healthcare and cybersecurity background. Actually, I met my co-founder last year in another hackathon. So I love to contribute to more hackathon here and to really glad to be judged here. I already seen very many like interesting projects. The one trend I noticed is across the many teams, the idea about they are building the projects is lots of the AI with healthcare and AI with cybersecurity. I'm really impressed in the really short time they can build really good demo here. So glad to be here and I hope you all can make new friends or co-founders.
Awesome. Thank you, Shirley. Abhishek, you're up next.
Yeah, hey guys, this is Abhishek. I'm a technical PM at Oracle. Uh, my background is developing products, greenfield products, and launching them, go-to-market strategy, as well as engineering product development. It 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 uh, it has been a pleasure judging this event. The number of participants and the number of projects that came up, that was really good to see different perspective and views. I think with us approaching all our problems or issues with the AI prism is a definite win for all. We just have to be cautious on the fact that we really try to solve things with AI rather than pushing AI into every aspect of our life. It should be a tool that makes things better. work-wise or for the whole society. That's the goal. And with that, looking at the various projects that got submitted, I'm very pleased at the outcome. It was really enriching for me to judge all the submissions. Back to you, Sri Prasad.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Bhaskar, you're up next.
Hello everyone, I'm Bhaskar here. I work as a software engineer at Google, where I work on ranking and AI products on Google Search. So I've participated in a lot of hackathons and won and failed at a lot of them. So I know how hard it is to come up with these ideas and deploy within one day. So kudos to everyone involved here. It's very exciting to see all of your project ideas and how you actually develop them, and the GitHub repositories were very clean. And thanks for all of the ideas presented. I really enjoyed working along with Sri Prasad and all the other judges. So yeah, thanks for having me as a judge here, and looking forward to the winners, announcing the winners. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Sahana, I'm going to add you. First of all, you want to talk about the awards before I bring you Sahana in 1 second. The first place is a 50% discount to our accelerator. The second place is 40% discount to our accelerator, and the third place is the 30% discount to our Founders Creative Accelerator program. As previously mentioned, Founders Creative Accelerator program is where people build companies and they get acquired, and there is a mentorship program, and it's an awesome place where you have an idea, and we'll give you all the support to bring this idea into life and as a big company. Thank you so much for our partner, Dev Plaza, and I'll add Sahana to the stage to talk a bit.
Thanks so much, Sri. Thanks so much, Founders Creative, for doing this hackathon. It's obviously been an awesome experience for the participants and for all the judges, as we just heard. And I'm excited to be partnering up with Founders Creative. Shri, if you don't mind going to the link that I sent to you.
I just need access to it.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I thought you had access.
No worries.
Oh, okay. Yes, you should have access now.
Okay, I'm going to try and find the slides, but you can.
Sure. So basically, thank you to all the participants that took part in this. I know some of you had messaged me saying that you might or might not have enough time to set this up, but some of you started signing up, some of you did, finished signing up. So what I want to do right now is, first of all, give everyone a big kudos for taking part in the hackathon, giving it your best, and actually trying to make this a worthy experience such that you're actually able to create products out of this. And I hope all of you are able to make this your own business and get into entrepreneurship as well. Shri, if you go to the next slide. Yeah. So as we were saying, there's a lot of good stuff that you'll end up getting as part of this hackathon. Dev Plaza is free for the duration of the hackathon, but for the ones that wanted to sign up but didn't feel like you didn't have any time, please go ahead and sign up. You still have the end of the day. And if you all prefer, I'll give you tomorrow as well to finish your sign up, because I know it's been a pretty crazy 2 days for you guys. So go to the next slide, Shri. Okay, so here, what we had said was that the hackathon winners are going to get an annual contract with 40% off for Dev Plaza platform subscription, 20% off each AI agent that you subscribe to, and we'll do a weekly LinkedIn spotlight for each of the hackathon winners, especially if you're using Dev Plaza. And the other thing is that everybody that is a user of Dev Plaza, we will be doing LinkedIn visibility to, especially after you get the primetime ready stamp that we offer once you've set everything up in your SDLC. The thing that I'm going to ask you all to do is to please take the scan of these two QR codes on the side. The second one is for my profile. So please ping me as soon as you're ready for the Primetime Ready stamp. Please try to do this before the end of this the end of the next 30 days, so that we can actually give you that visibility and shout out on LinkedIn. Apart from that, of course, we have the participants that end up continuing to use DevPlaza. We will get added to our customers list. We'll publish case studies with you, and we'll do interviews with you, and we'll put it up on social media so that you get that visibility for and help for going to market. We also would love to invite you to DevPlaza's events, which we are beginning to start yet another time. So please feel free to ping me when if you've finished your sign-up process, so that we can actually get you in. We have 2 events coming up this month itself, so please do this today or end of tomorrow is max, so that we can actually bring you into the right ones. Apart from that, we also want to add you into our product council, because you're going to help us shape DevPlaza's future as well. So lots of good stuff. You're basically in DevPlaza's inner circle, as we call it, with just completing your sign up and beginning to set up for the rest of the month. Shri, next slide, please. Okay, so these are the people that ended up showing interest or signing up. So what I'm going to say is, Paramita, if you're around, you started your sign up and hadn't completed it. So please finish your sign up, because I want to make you eligible for all the stuff that I just spoke about. There was a person whose tag was Sau. If you're around, I know you mentioned that you were interested in shipping something something real to a customer. So I would urge you to sign up. Same with Swati Priyam from Insight Labs. So please sign up for before the end of tomorrow, so that I can make you guys also eligible. Ashit G. For the company, I think the company said Solo, but if it's a different name, of course, please bring me. I'll correct it out. You had mentioned that you wanted to sign up, but you didn't have enough time, so you will do it after. Please make sure that you sign up before the end of tomorrow, so that we can bring you all those goodies. L.E. Nichols is the one that ended up signing up for Secure Sprout. I am so happy that you signed up, and you'll get 100% of everything I spoke about in the previous slide pretty much immediately. If you're around, so just please ping me on LinkedIn so that we can connect and we can discuss how to go about the next steps. I'm looking forward to others that are not winners but are still interested in DevPlaza, in using DevPlaza. So feel free to ping me or just sign up on the website itself by hitting get started. It's all self-service. So looking forward to more such brilliant ideas coming to life. And I'm very thankful and excited to partner up with Founders Creative for any future such events as well. Thanks so much.
Awesome. Thank you. I think we have one more judge who joined. Shreyas, if you are there, can I invite you to on stage? Okay, I think there is. Shreyas, are you there?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, can you say a few words about yourself and
Can you hear
what
me?
interesting? Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. So, hi everyone. It has been great to be part of Founders Creative Hackathon. Just a little bit about myself. I am Shreyas. I've been part of Progressive Venture, also Founders Creative for the last almost 2 years. On side, I actually work at PayPal as a lead PM. I've been in the product for almost last 12 plus years. Before that, I worked as a software engineer for almost 6 years. I have like close to 18 years of experience, and I led teams of a product all the way from like a personalization, search, recommendation in a retail e-commerce world. And right now, I'm more focused on the go-to-market side of the product, where I am responsible for increasing PayPal's product acquisition for brand to checkout. Excited to be here, and some of the entries, I know some of the folks are already part of leadership circle. I also lead, or I'm a co-chair at a leadership circle at Founders Creative. So excited. If you are interested, feel free to reach out to me or even Shri, and happy to connect with any of the participants offline.
Awesome, awesome. Judges, can I also ask all of you to be on stage so that I can just announce the winners? No, shade. All right. We need one more. All right. Thank you for judging. I'm just going to collate everything, and the first prize goes to Secure Spout. Secure Spot is an online AI tutor that adapts to a student's grade level and specific knowledge graphs. For students, it's a conversational scenario-based AI coach that makes skepticism a superpower. This project was graded the highest by all the judges. So the first prize goes to Secure Sprout, uh, and like we said, I'm just going to check the slides. This is a 50% discount to our Founders Creative Accelerator program. It is by Vijay Gupta, and I think it's Shauna E. Nichols, who's the participant. Uh, Thank you so much. The second prize goes to Flow Memory, which is by Swati Priyam and Manish. Flow Memory engineers solve the same problems over and over by setting up environments, chasing down test failures, and figuring out deployment steps. This fix gets worked out in a conversation with an AI assistant, and then it's gone. Flow memory sits inside cursor, pays attention, and when a conversation produces a useful sequence of steps, it asks if you want to keep it in memory, and that is now shared as a library to other all users. So the second prize goes to Flow Memory by Swati Prem and Money, and the second prize is 40% discount for our Founders Creative Accelerator program. Congratulations to Swati Prem and Manish. The final prize goes to Meridian by Gunjan Bharadwaj. Meridian is a knowledge-based management system that designed from ground up for teams to deploy AI agents. It just does not store articles. It makes the knowledge and infrastructure intelligent, self-aware, and continuously improving. It at its core is an MCP server using the MCP protocol. Using the model context protocol, Meridian generates scoped AI tokens that gives each AI agent access to exactly the articles that it needs and nothing more. The tokens are signed, JWT signed with rate limits, tags, scopes, and expiry embedded directly. Thank you so much. The third prize goes to Gunjan Bharadwaj for Meridian. And the third prize is a 30% discount for Founders Creative and all the perks that Sahana talked about. Dev Plaza will also be there. Sahana, if you want to share a little more, I'm going to add you anyway to the screen.
Yeah, congratulations to all the winners. Obviously, all the perks that I mentioned is applicable to all of you as well. So let's definitely connect.
Definitely, we'll be sending out an email to connecting Sahana with the prize winners. And from Founders Creative, we will reach out to the winners and we'll take you to the next step and we'll make sure that you are guided towards the process. All right, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for joining Founders Creative winner announcement. The winners will also be shared on the Discord channel, and we will connect with you offline. Thank you so much.